Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up Summon on a Tesla Model 3. Start by opening the Tesla app, connecting to the car, and confirming software is current. Next, enable Summon in Controls, then set the maximum distance and steering options. Finally, practice with short movements, keeping visual contact and being ready to stop. This walkthrough keeps things simple, safe, and stress-free so you can feel confident using Summon. Open the car and tap Controls, then Autopilot to find Summon settings and enable the feature. Choose your maximum distance and stopping behavior, and pick steering options that fit your parking layout. Confirm obstacle detection and audible alerts are active so the car responds to nearby objects. Save settings and lock the car using your preferred method before testing. This step ensures Summon behaves predictably for safer, reliable operation during practice. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for keeping you hydrated while testing Summon, and it won't spill when you're crouched by the bumper, perfect for long practice sessions. I use it during every parking session to stay refreshed. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. When using Summon, stand in clear view of the car and keep your phone or fob ready to cancel the move instantly. Start with brief, low-speed commands to confirm responses, then increase range once you trust behavior. Never use Summon on public roads, steep inclines, or crowded areas where people or obstacles may appear. Prioritize safety by scanning the environment and giving yourself an easy escape route in case you need to intervene quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.